Klipsch has a family of heritage speakers that are incredible in their charm and sound quality. As well as the heirs to the legendary models of the last century, it also includes modern models such as powered speakers. The compact The 5s are perfect for sounding out small rooms and desktop placement on the sides of a computer monitor or laptop. The senior The 9s can replace a rather large audio system in a spacious room. There are reviews about both models on our channel. And today we're going to talk about the 7s. Not big and not too small, and therefore, in my opinion, the most versatile ones. Hello everyone, this is Pult Electronics and me, Deco. Let's go! Two beautiful 42 cm high shelf speakers. That's all most listeners will need. I have to stress this. Most music lovers will get great sound in a medium-sized room, clear, powerful, and very warm. After all, these are the Klipsch Heritage series speakers. And inside these vintage shelf speakers in natural wood veneer cabinets, you'll find everything you need. A classic audio system with a separate amplifier is simply not necessary. Why am I so sure of this? Here's why. Built in the style of Klipsch's classic models, the Klipsch The Senevs only give the impression of being very structurally simple two-way speakers from the outside. But even from the outside, the 7s make an excellent impression, thanks to the natural veneer finish, the cork pad on the bottom, and the beautiful vintage grills, under which you can see the huge titanium dome tweeter horn and the 16.5 cm main driver with a paper composite cone. In inches, that's 6.5, almost 7. That's why the speakers are called the 7s. By the way, the largest in the Klipsch family of powered speakers, the 9s, have a bass driver diameter of exactly 8 inches. But rumor has it that the marketers found the name the 8s not convincing enough. And inside the catalog, the distance from the 7s might seem small to buyers. That's why the flagships were called the 9s. Whether this is true or not, I don't really know. But there is logic in such a decision. But back to the 7s. The drivers mentioned above received their signal from the 4-channel amplifier built into the master speaker. That is, the signal is amplified separately for each driver. The total power output is impressive, 200 watts. The signal distribution to the amplifiers is handled by an active separating filter. And before it, all sound streams are processed by the proprietary DSP. It is this signal processor that creates the necessary softness and coziness in the sound, thanks to which the new Klipsch The 7s sound almost as appealingly vintage as the classic Klipsches from the last century, such as Heresy. The 7s have exactly the same features as the 9s. And that is great, because the possibilities are enormous. The only thing they don't have is a built-in streamer. Everything else is there. There is a digital optical input and an analog input, to which you can also connect a turntable. An HDMI RAC port for receiving PCM signal from the TV return channel. And even Bluetooth with support for aptX HD and AAC codecs. And those music lovers who prefer to listen to music via the computer will be glad to be able to connect the 7s via USB to the computer in the external sound interface mode. Very versatile speakers that can fully replace a conventional stereo system in a room of up to 25 square meters. Or they can be an excellent choice for sounding the desktop. Although in this case I recommend using low stands under the speakers, about 10 cm, even homemade, from a stack of books. The speakers come not only with a remote control, but also with all the necessary cables. All in all, a total delight. And if you want more bass, although they have enough bass of their own, you can connect any standard powered subwoofer to the 7s. There is a special output on the rear panel for this purpose. Great speakers. Come and listen, you'll be enchanted. That's all for today. See you later. Stay tuned.